Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so a little bit of an explanation. Yesterday evening, I posted a video of the mystery gift shop unboxing of the electronics and accessory mystery box. And in the video, I was talking about how I didn't quite get the guaranteed MSRP, but I was notified by the mystery gift shop in the comments that I had one of the MSRPs wrong, which they were correct. So I figured I would just delete that video instead of going through all the editing and do a new video. So some of you may have already seen the items that are in this box, and for that I'm sorry. I'm also sorry for my audio problems. I know it was real staticky. I dropped my phone about a week ago, and I have been having problems ever since with the audio. I don't know what's going on. I probably need to take it and get it looked at. So I plugged in my headset, and I am using that today, so hopefully it is better. Okay, let's get right to it. So this is the Mystery Gift Shop Electronics and Accessory Mystery Box. It cost me $84.99. Shipping was $12.99 for a total of $97.98. And I think these boxes used to be $99. I'm not sure, not positive on that. But anyway, mine was $84.99. And it's supposed to be a guaranteed MSRP of $165 to $350. And so since I've already unboxed this one time, I will just give you the MSRP as we go along, and I will explain where I made my mistake yesterday, because I am going to always be honest, and if I make a mistake, I will correct it. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing in the box was a Roku Indoor Camera SE wired. And the MSRP on this, oh, I do have my paper. I think it was 24, let's be sure, $24.99. And how I get my MSRPs is I go online. As they say, a lot of their stuff comes from liquidation, Amazon, and Target. So most of the time I use Amazon and Target, which we can't be sure if it's the exact MSRP that they have. Because a lot of times by the time we get the stuff is already discounted online. But anyway, okay, the next is a basketball silicone nude light. And as you can see on the box, this one is MSRP $26. And it's a silicone little light. Kind of cute. Comes with a remote control. It has light changing colors. Okay, that was $26. Then we have a wireless mouse by Dell. This has no price on it, so I looked online, and that was $19.99. And next we have Pioneer DJ Q1 headphone set. And these are DJ headphones, which are really nice. And this was the highest priced item in the box. And the MSRP on these were $69. And then the item that I got wrong yesterday. This is the Tilt full speed 30-watt charger. Now, where I messed up yesterday was that I did not notice the price on the back. Honestly, didn't even look. Maybe I should have. $39.99. I went online and found a price for $14.99. So when I totaled up the total yesterday MSRP, I was using the $14.99, and they quickly notified me in comments that it should have been $29.99, which actually, I'll give you $10 more, $39.99. Okay, so that's everything in my box. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And the total MSRP for all of these together, $69 for the earphones, Roku $24.99, Moonlight $26, Dell mouse $19.99, and a Tilt charger $39.99. So the total MSRP was $179.97, and they say that you will get an MSRP between $165 and $350, so just slightly over that $165, which yesterday I had them at only $154. So I was like, oh, I didn't get what the MSRP I was supposed to get, but my mistake. And anyway, so I corrected it. Okay, now what I like about this box, a lot better than the everything box. And if you haven't seen that video, it's below. You can go watch it. I was a little disappointed. I got some, decent things in that box, but what I didn't like was the swimming little earplugs and the defogger for your eyeglasses. I didn't like that. So, but anyway, this box, the electronic box, in my opinion, was definitely a lot better than that box. And these are the only 2 boxes I've ordered so far, so they're the only ones I can compare. Now, what I like about these boxes from the mystery gift shop is that everything does come brand new. No used items or returns. Everything is brand new in the box. So, of course, it's great for gift giving and anything you want to keep yourself, which I'm going to keep the mouse, throw this charger in with all my other chargers, and probably going to keep this, the Pioneer DJ. I might try to resell online, and then I may give this to one of my nieces or nephews or something. So I was a lot more happier with this box. But guys, I want you to understand these boxes are a gamble. They are a gamble, like any mystery box, but they're a lot of fun to unbox just to see what you're going to get. I enjoy that part of it, but they are a gamble. And I'll give you an example. I saw a couple of resellers that I follow unbox these online, and theirs were just, high MSRP, high. So I'm like, oh my God, that is awesome. I'm going to order me one of those right now. So I did, and of course mine wasn't as great as theirs. It was okay. It was the guaranteed MSRP. It was okay, but it wasn't as great. But you got to understand all the ones I've watched so far, before I ordered these, they were sent those boxes by the company. So, of course, they're trying to promote it. So they're going to get a lot better stuff, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Now, some may get lucky. Like, that's why I say it's a gamble. You may get lucky, buy a box, and get, really high MSRP or whatever. But don't think because you watch somebody's unboxing that you're going to get exactly what they got or the high MSRP that they get. You're taking a gamble, which I think you will be happy with the boxes. It's because I've gotten some mystery boxes in the past that I've bought that have been nothing but pure trash. So this company is really good. Their items are what they say as far as in new. I mean, I haven't had a problem with anything I've found yet. Everything has been in perfect condition, perfect condition. Now, as a reseller, these are not advertised as reselling boxes. They're advertised as true mystery boxes. That they're great to keep it for yourself, great for gift giving, and just the fun of opening up a mystery box, which it is fun to open up and see what you get. They are not advertised as reselling boxes, but I know of a couple of people that have bought these to see if they're good for reselling. And I have researched a lot of this stuff for reselling, and a lot of this stuff you can get online for half of what the MSRP is. The MSRP is like what it first sold for, and now this stuff has been, stuff that hasn't been sold or liquidated or whatever, and you're you're just not going to get the full price, I don't think, for a lot of this stuff. I see some of this stuff reselling for online now for less than half than what it's worth. So I just want to let you know that if there's any of my resellers thinking about ordering these boxes, and I don't think they're great for reselling, but hey, maybe they'll come out with a reseller box. That's a good idea, right? Um, but anyway, so I just wanted to come on here, excuse me, and do this again, correct my mistake. And I'm sorry for the ones who watched yesterday and my audio was really bad. Hopefully it's better now. Hopefully I can get my phone fixed. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Bye.